Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in AppLLM, and I'm going to show you this brand new AI-powered app that was created for people like me that are non-coders. If you are looking to learn vibe coding, or you're looking to code and you're not super technical, create some websites, some apps, for example, this is the app, this is the tool for you. I'm going to walk you through it. It's absolutely amazing. Let's take a look. All right, to get started and log in, piece of cake. All you got to do is go to their website. I, of course, put a link in the description below, and then just click on this Get Started button here. Do note that it's $10 per user per month, but here's the thing. It also comes with Code LLM, which is their AI code builder or their IDE, and it comes with Chat LLM Teams, which I've done about 40 videos on, which is the most amazing AI platform out there. It's absolutely crazy. Just click on Get Started. Alternatively, if you're a Chat LLM customer already, you'll see down here at the bottom left under Tools, one that says App LLM Beta. Click on that and boom, we're in, we're cooking. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Now, let's go ahead and get started creating some content. All right, once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. And the first thing that jumps out to me is all of these tabs down here. They are literally one-click websites. And you'll see here that this one here is a React calendar app. This is not just basic, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This can create very, very complicated, very, very complex websites. It's an absolutely amazing app. And if you go through them here, I mean, look at all these cool ones. Model Context Protocol website. That's a mouthful. You can click on that. One click, you've got a brand new website. So you can click on some of these to try it out. Alternatively, you can actually describe what you want to build right here. And you can be very specific. So if you want to create a website using React and it's going to have certain colors and fonts and animations and all that stuff, you can literally write it in here and it will cook it. But let's start off here. I want to start off with this one here, the NASA Space Explorer app. And the reason why I choose this one is because it shows you a lot of the process, a lot of the thinking that goes into creating a website. So I'm going to click on that. And now let's create that Space Explorer app. Here we go. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the NASA app down here. And this is the best example, in my opinion, of what this program can do here. And you'll already see here that it's gone ahead and cooked the whole thing up. I did that just because I don't want you guys to sit here watching me render things out here. I want to do this nice and quickly for you. But here we go. I've gone to the top here. Here's the first prompt. It says, what can I build here and in what language? And then there we go. It tells us, I'll help you understand what you can build with this setup and the available technologies. Here's the development stack for all of you super nerds here. It's got the front end Next.js. It's got Tailwind CSS with additional components from Radix UI. I mean, this is serious stuff here, guys. For the database, it uses Prisma ORM, Framer Motion for animation, React Hook from Form with Zod validation. I mean, seriously, guys, it's all in here. Absolutely crazy stuff. Then it goes on to tell us what kind of applications you can build. Dashboard apps, admin panels, content management systems, e-commerce platforms, social media applications. I mean, it goes the whole way. I'm going to show you a few more things on that left side here, but right here in the middle, you'll see here under code, it gives you the root. And then look at this here. It even gives you the file structure, and you can drill down and keep going down here. App, and then it's got components, hooks, library. I mean, look at this. Prisma. I mean, it's all in there, guys, and you can drill all the way down. And then my favorite part here is you can actually see a live preview. This is what kind of blew me away here, is this is what it created. Literally, I clicked one button and I got a website that looks like this. And if we scroll through it here, it gives us exactly what we asked for. Can the sun appear to rise twice at the same time? I mean, that's a cool question there. It's asking questions. I mean, Mars rovers photos. Look at this stuff here. And then, of course, it's got its other things down at the bottom here, the legal and credits, things like that. Crazy stuff, guys. This was, again, literally one click. Now, right now, it's sort of limited to static pages at the moment because, again, this is brand new. It's in beta, but there's a whole bunch more coming. It's going to be doing dynamic sites with, with large databases. That's all almost here. I think it should be a few more days, I think, if I heard correctly. So it's all in here, guys. It's absolutely nuts here. You can see here as I go down, features you can implement, real-time data updates, data visualization with charts, responsive layouts for, smartphones and things like that, and iPads, file upload, download, and then you can select your programming language. I mean, guys, this is crazy. CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, SQL. Amazing stuff, guys. It gives you some ideas here, and then it says, give me ideas for apps with APIs, but not the weather app, because that's always what they create. And you'll see here that it gave them a bunch of ideas, and then it just basically went through this here. This is very agentic. This feels like an agent doing this here. And then look at that. It just walks you through it, and then it says, what has free API and not related to crypto or news or finance? Again, another good option there. And then bam, as we go down here, look at this here. It says create a NASA Space Explorer using NASA's free API. On the app, include a section with astronomy picture of the day. Okay, there we go. It did it for us. Mars rover photos. It did it for us. Exactly what we asked for. Earth imagery, NASA image library, and space facts. And let me tell you guys, it delivered the whole thing. And the other thing is here, if you want to make changes to it, you can go ahead and type in, hey, change the pictures or, change the font. That's fine. And once it's done, you can access the app here. So it gives you a location here where you can just click on it and bang, there it is. Now, pretty soon you're going to be able to deploy this and put it on your own hosting. But right now it's still up and running. You can go ahead and work through that there. And it shows you everything that it did. So look at that. Make the logo look like Kennedy Space Center logo and place it next to NASA Space Explorer. Make it all one logo. I mean, what the hell? It even did that. Look at that, guys. This is crazy, guys. This is included in the Chat LLM bundle with Code LLM. And now you get App LLM. Learn how to vibe code. Get it right, guys. This is the place to go. Walk yourself through it. It's wild. Thanks for watching.